Wolves typically live and hunt in packs, led by an alpha pair consisting of the dominant male and female. Pack sizes can vary from a few individuals to over a dozen members. They are apex predators and employ cooperative hunting techniques, using teamwork to take down prey much larger than themselves, such as deer, elk, and bison. Wolves use howling, body language, and scent marking to communicate within their pack and establish territories. Howling serves various purposes, including social bonding and signaling. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Their presence influences prey populations, prevents overgrazing by herbivores, and indirectly impacts plant and animal diversity.